The wind out here in northern Colorado is no joke. It was powerful enough today to damage the roof of a middle school out here in Keensburg, the Weld Central Middle School. At one point, winds were up to 69 miles per hour. Students and staff had to evacuate in the middle of the day due to safety hazards. In the meantime, it was those same winds that knocked out power for thousands of people in northern Colorado. Xcel Energy either had planned outages or they were due to damaged lines. And Xcel did say as of 6:30 p.m. on Friday night, they had restored power for 4,000 customers. But as of 9 p.m., there are still almost 7,000 people without power, waiting for that to be turned back on. Xcel did say they want customers to report outages and damaged lines. It would help them speed up that restoration process.